Natural disasters, man-made conflicts, and crises are increasing in both volume and complexity, impacting populations and infrastructure around the world. Emergency teams on the ground need quick and reliable insights to deliver successful operations in often challenging environments. Meet Pix4Dreact, the drone mapping software that provides rapid situational awareness in the field for quick decisions and collaboration. Developed with the help of emergency responders, Pix4Dreact is designed to be the optimal 2D fast mapping software for public safety and humanitarian aid professionals. Pix4Dreact is a force multiplier, enabling you to deliver critical insights when internet connection is unreliable and time is of the essence. It provides the key features to enable anyone to easily create, compare, document, and share maps. Save more lives with Pix4Dreact.